Hello, my name is Daniel Harrold and I'm a leading education innovator in the world of digital technology. I live in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania and teach at Baldwin-Whitehall School District. The biggest way that I am leading the drive to change education is one word: gamification. Gamification is a new and upcoming field in education that involves using game mechanics in order to give the students more control of the learning process. A game-based class is game-based. It uses mechanics from video games to make the content more motivating and appealing. It's authentic. It's not just about a grade, but it's about making things that actually contribute to society. It uses mastery grading, allowing students to try over and over again in order to improve their mistakes and actually learn. And finally, it's evolutionary. It's something that's constantly changing. Let me show you a little bit about what we're doing. The first question is, why games? Why bother with them? Well, games, video games especially, are extremely motivating. Why? Because they give people a freedom to fail. In a video game, you might try a level over and over and over again before succeeding. And we don't punish this at all. You have multiple options in a video game. You're allowed to try different paths that suit whatever strengths that you have. Learning should fit this model. It uses technology heavily. Technology is extremely motivational. And finally, games are internally motivating. They have rewards and badges and points, things that keep the user coming back. Games are fun, and shouldn't learning be too? When I set up a game-based unit, I use a method called QUEST. Q-U-E-S-T-T. That stands for questions. What are the background pieces of information? Understanding. What are the small individual tasks students need before they read? Explore. What does a student do when they read a particular text? Synthesis. How does a student take all this information, work together in a group, and make an authentic project that they design themselves? And finally, test. The individual boss level of every unit. The student has to stand alone and prove that they have indeed mastered the content. Of course, you always need to take a break before moving on, just like you do in any video game. In short, I am a leading education innovator, not because I'm perfect, because I'm trying new things. I'm introducing a new model in order to give more ownership to the students and motivate them to be lifelong learners. Thanks for stopping by.